this paper, we've got nothing to do with it. Have you got any ideas of what we can make with this paper?
Well, I think we should make a bag out of this.
A bag?
I think I've got a better idea.
What?
I think we should make a men's pouch.
A men's
Reckon?
pouch? I think
That sounds
that's a
good to
idea.
me. That sounds good to me. You know what, boys?
Let's do this.
We are from Leicester, and we are currently at Leicester College studying the Peter Jones Enterprise Academy. We have made a bag, a pouch out of newspapers for the DECA Challenge.
When we were making this pouch, we all had different roles in which we partook in. Hamza thought of the idea of making a bag. Seamus thought of an idea of actually making the bag into a pouch. I thought of the structure and how the bag would be held up. And Abdi was coordinating the team and making sure we were all on task.
It's estimated that paper consumption would rise 50% by 2010. 12.5 million tons of paper and cardboard are used annually in the UK, yeah. So, it takes 24 trees to make 1 ton of newspaper.
From the newspapers given to us, we've decided to make our finalised eco pouch.
With this innovation will allow us to stop wasting paper and making use of it. As you can see, the innovative ideas, we can maybe put keys in here, wallets. In this case, I've got a phone. And a cheeky tree in this pocket right here. It's waterproof, as you can see.
Plated in sellotape so that water doesn't get through to the paper
This
is the future.